How to get rid of messenger notification. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will guide you through the process and how you can get rid of messenger notification. So let's get started. Firstly, long press the messenger application and you can see the three different options. Click on the option that says App Info. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the app info of the messenger application. Once you appear on the app info of messenger application, then under the section of permissions, you will see the option of notification. Click on it. Now finally, toggle off the show notifications option. Once you toggle off this option, you will be completely get rid of messenger notifications on your device. So that's it. In this easy and simple way, you can get rid of messenger notifications on Messenger. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay updated. Bye.